Every day, businesses around the world use BrightSign digital signage solutions to attract, engage, and captivate their customers. One of those solutions is BrightSign Built-In, our cost-efficient system-on-a-chip technology that combines our industry-leading BrightSign OS with premium commercial-grade displays from our manufacturing partners. It's an all-in-one solution with no external player, so setup time is minimal, and there's no need to manage multiple devices. But you still get the superior security, performance, and reliability that BrightSign is known for. Unlike lower-cost portable streaming media players, BrightSign Built-In comes with a guaranteed 5 years of BrightSign OS software updates, so you can be confident that your network and your content are secure. Those updates also extend the longevity of your digital signage, making BrightSign Built-In a more sustainable choice with a lower total cost of ownership. With BSN Control, our free remote player monitoring and control service, you can manage your displays across the network and optimize energy use and content delivery for even greater cost savings and sustainability. Wherever and however you want to connect with your customers, indoors or outdoors, from kiosks to shelving signage to wayfinding and beyond, there are partner displays with BrightSign Built-In that are right for the job. And they're all compatible with a full range of BrightSign software, services, and integrated CMS solutions. For a straightforward, cost-effective digital signage solution backed by superior performance and security, there's no better choice than BrightSign.